Importance of Mayor's Court. To understand the importance of Mayor's Court, we must begin with its historical context. The Mayor's Courts were established in Madras 1688, later in Bombay and Calcutta 1726, under the Charter of 1687, and later the Charter of 1726 issued by the British Crown. These courts became the earliest formal British judicial institutions in India. Therefore, the importance of Mayor's Court lies in the fact that they marked the beginning of organized, structured, and codified judicial administration in British India. One central aspect of the importance of Mayor's Court is that they introduced English legal principles into India. For the first time, Indian residents, British, European, and Indian alike, came under a judicial system modeled on English common law. This blending of local customs with a formal Western legal framework represents a major importance of Mayor's Court, as it shaped the future evolution of the Indian judicial system. Another key importance of Mayor's Court lies in the establishment of civil jurisdiction. Before their creation, disputes were handled by informal bodies like Choltri courts or panchayats. But the Mayor's Courts provided a structured mechanism for resolving civil disputes, especially those related to trade, contracts, debts, and property. This shift from ad hoc systems to organized courts highlights the importance of Mayor's Court in laying the foundation for modern civil justice. Additionally, the importance of Mayor's Court is seen in their role in resolving disputes among the growing European merchant population. As trade expanded under the East India Company, conflicts increased. The Mayor's Courts acted as stable and authoritative forums to ensure commercial certainty, which was essential for economic growth. Thus, commercial stability becomes another major importance of Mayor's Court. The importance of Mayor's Court must also be appreciated in terms of uniformity and standardization. These courts replaced diverse local judicial practices with a more centralized system. Such uniformity was crucial for a multi-ethnic settlement, making the Mayor's Courts early steps toward legal centralization in India. This unification of laws is a significant importance of Mayor's Court. Another prominent importance of Mayor's Court is that they strengthened British authority. By centralizing judicial power under courts presided over by a mayor and aldermen, the British established not only legal dominance, but also administrative influence. The courts became symbols of British sovereignty, making political consolidation a notable importance of Mayor's Court. The importance of Mayor's Court also lies in their function as precursors to later judicial institutions. The failures and limitations of the Mayor's Courts led to the creation of the more advanced Recorder's Courts, 1793, and later the Supreme Courts, 1774 in Calcutta, 1801 in Madras, 1823 in Bombay. Therefore, the evolution of the Indian judiciary owes much to the early experiments of the Mayor's Courts, reinforcing the historical importance of Mayor's Court. Furthermore, the importance of Mayor's Court can be seen in the way they introduced concepts such as judicial independence, though limited, record-keeping and written judgments, formal court procedures, appeals system, since appeals were allowed to the Governor and Council and later to the Privy Council. These innovations were crucial for the development of a modern justice system. Thus, their institutional innovations underline the importance of Mayor's Court. Another dimension of the importance of Mayor's Court lies in their impact on Indian society. Although initially meant for Europeans, many Indians, especially merchants, approached these courts because they offered greater predictability, written rules, and enforceable judgments. This encouraged early legal awareness in Indian society, marking a social importance of Mayor's Court as well. The importance of Mayor's Court also includes the fact that they helped in developing early notions of legal profession in India. The procedure of these courts indirectly paved the way for the rise of attorneys, advocates, and legal clerks. This early professionalization of law further demonstrates the importance of Mayor's Court in shaping India's legal culture. In summary, the importance of Mayor's Court can be understood through the following key contributions: introduction of English legal principles, establishment of formal civil courts in India, promotion of commercial stability, creation of legal uniformity and standardization, foundation for later judicial bodies, such as Supreme Courts, strengthening of British administrative and judicial control, development of legal profession and judicial procedures, increased legal awareness among Indians. All these points together highlight the deep historical importance of Mayor's Court in shaping the early judicial foundations of India.